Visit the DALL-E website and join the waitlist. At this point, you've successfully joined the waitlist. DALL-E will review your request and inform you when you've been invited. Now, let's assume DALL-E has successfully granted you an invite. How do you start generating images? Follow these steps to see what I created. These are some featured images generated by DALL-E users. Let's create ours now. We're gonna try some impossible things first. Let's see how it copes with it. Wow. I kinda didn't expect this. But okay, next. This one better turn out good. Oh well, the first two are okay. But let's consider this as a preview beta. Boop? Well, no comment. Got what I entered, I guess. I think I need to spice this one up a little bit more. Like a moon kind of setting. Okay, great. I love these. The first one especially. I'll go ahead and download some to use as thumbnails for this video. Thank you all. What would you like to see me generate? Comment and subscribe to see more upcoming DALL-E series and other tech guides. Follow me everywhere at TechSword.